Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Xbox app and signing in. This ensures you're editing the correct Microsoft account. Once signed in, click your profile icon, top left or top right depending on the app version, and choose Manage Account. That action opens your Microsoft account profile in a browser because the Xbox app delegates name changes to Microsoft's account system. Make sure you use the account that appears in the app so the new name syncs back to Xbox. Now edit your name on the Microsoft profile page. Click Edit Name near your display information, then type the first and last name exactly how you want it to appear. This is the official Microsoft display name, so choose spelling and capitalization carefully. It's why Xbox shows that name. After entering the names, click Save. Microsoft will validate the change and propagate it to connected services. If you're switching between devices, make sure you remain signed in Once you've saved the new name, return to the Xbox app. The change may appear immediately but sometimes needs a sign out and sign in or an app restart to refresh. If you don't see it, give Microsoft a few minutes to sync across services, up to 24 hours in rare cases, and clear the app cache or reboot your device. If the change is blocked, check for account restrictions or recent name change limits on Microsoft. Contacting support will clarify holds or verification requirements and resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.